Most creators are showing you how incredible the seed dance tool is inside of Higgsfield and using it for just dramatic movie scenes with big explosions, villains, heroes, and the Hollywood movie effects. And yes, it can definitely be used for that. But there's another play. While everyone is making fake movie trailers, hundreds of AI influencers are using this tool to build their personal brand, to create lifestyle content, promote their digital products, and sell even TikTok shop products.
Let's get ready with me, starting with a fresh face. First, I'm going to do my brows, just brushing them into shape.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Seed Dance 2.0 inside of Higgsfield to create lifestyle content and build up your personal brand. If we've never met before, I'm Ayanda's AI twin. I show up online sharing her knowledge and her education, helping you learn how to create your own wealth with AI, digital products, or building out your very own school community. Ayanda runs 2 online communities, the AI Income Stack that teaches you 10 plus ways for you to start making money with AI. And then she also has the Skool Launch Circle that teaches you how to use your own skills and package it into your very own school community. The prompts that I'm going to use in today's video will be available inside of the AI Income Stack in the Influencer Classroom. Before I jump into today's class, I wanted to see if I could actually create these Hollywood movie scenes. And I'm going to show you in a second exactly what I was able to create. Make sure to follow and hit the notification bell because in my next video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how this video was created.
Move! Get back!
You lot should have stayed indoors.
London's not yours to take.
Please don't let it see me.
Everyone stay down.
You think that little whip can stop me?
No, I do.
Is that all you've got, love?
Not even close.
Get down! Find the tail!
You dare touch me?
You're in my city.
Then watch it burn.
Now, as a complete beginner, I was so excited to see the outcome of that actual video. But for an everyday normal person who is trying to sell their digital products, trying to get people inside of their community, or trying to get actual brand deals, this is not something that I would be making every single day. I want to show you some of the videos that I've created that I would post on my normal timeline. After I show you these videos, we'll jump straight into the education.
They said summer 2026 is a rich auntie summer. TikTok did not disappoint. Dress is giving expensive auntie. Simple earrings. Simple bag. Ladies, everything is TikTok shop linked below. When you hit 40, your priorities change. I used to focus on my career, my children, and my marriage. But now, my priorities are my health and my finances. Not even my children come before that anymore. Okay, I'm ready. Steak for dinner today. Your skin is thinning, your hair is not growing like it used to, your nails are breaking. That is collagen loss. And this is what women are taking every single morning to turn that around. One small shot, first thing, that is it. That is the routine now.
What exactly is Higgsfield? Well, Higgsfield looks very complicated on the surface. When you first jump into the actual Higgsfield website, you're going to see a lot of moving pieces. You've got all of these different animations. Higgsfield is showing you all of the different creative spaces that it actually has within the platform. And this can feel a little bit overwhelming to completely newbies who have never used a tool like this. But basically, Higgsfield is an all-in-one platform that allows you to actually create different creatives, whether that is images or videos, in one space. What's great about the Higgsfield platform is that it actually is suitable for everyone across the board, whether you're a beginner or whether you're someone who is very advanced, because these tools are accessible to everyone. You can create images, you can create videos, you can create ads, you can even create your own AI influencers. And you'll find that there's other tools like OpenArt or Kling that are very similar because they allow you to integrate different actual software or different other AI tools. For example, if you go into the image section, you'll see that Higgsfield has its own image generation tools within the actual platform. They've also integrated with other well-known brands like Nano Banana that is made by Google, like Grok imagery, like Flux. And if you go into their video section, you'll see that they have Kling 3.0, they have Sora, Pro, they have VO Free. So they've actually integrated some of the leading actual software into this one platform. And what this allows you to do is save time and save money. No longer do you need to have 20 different access or 20 different subscriptions. You can actually just have all of these different pieces of software inside of the one platform. Now, I won't drag out this video any longer than it actually needs to be by going through all of the different features inside of the actual Higgsfield platform. And in all honesty, I haven't used all of them. So one thing I will tell you is that if you actually go over to YouTube, well, you are on YouTube, but you can actually type in Higgsfield and it has its very own YouTube channel that's got extensive learning videos. You can even see this one here is over 3 hours long. If you want more in-depth learning around the actual Higgsfield platform, I would go to their actual YouTube channel as opposed to going to lots of different creators on this app. After you've signed up for Higgsfield, click on the video link and then click on the Seed Dance 2.0. This is where we're going to actually be creating our videos. Now, all of the prompts and the imagery, if you wanted to use the exact same images that I've got, are all inside of the AI income stack in the influencer classroom. If you click on the influencer classroom and you scroll down to the Higgsfield Sea Dream videos, you can click on the TikTok dress or TikTok shop get ready with me video. And the first thing we're going to need to start with is an actual image of ourselves in a bathrobe. You or your actual AI influencer. And if you don't know how to write a prompt for that, the prompt for that entire look is going to be underneath the actual image. Grab that image and then head back into Higgsfield to generate it, or you can head into a tool like OpenArt. Now, the reason I'm using OpenArt is because I paid for an annual subscription and I've got a lot of credits. So inside of OpenArt, I click on image or create image. I'm going to add in the actual prompt of me in a bathrobe, and I'm going to make sure that I've clicked on Nano Banana Pro. Remember earlier on, I was telling you that lots of these platforms have the exact same thing. So I've clicked Nano Banana Pro, added in my prompt, uploaded a photo of myself. Then I've made sure that it's the aspect ratio that would be for a mobile phone, which is 9.16 or 9.16. And then I've hit 2K resolution. I didn't go for 4K. I feel like sometimes that makes the image a little bit too sharp. So I clicked on the 2K resolution and then I'm going to click onto generate. I selected to generate 2 images. So now I've got 2 to choose from, and let's jump into part 2 of this process. Step 2 of this process is to get all of the images of the actual clothes, the bag, the perfume, the earrings and everything from TikTok Shop. Now, when you grab all of these images from TikTok Shop, you're just going to take screenshots of them based on what the brand has actually given you. So as you can see here, this is the dress, but the brand actual images have this flower and everything on the side. That's absolutely okay. The AI tool is not going to use them. Some of the actual images will just have a clear white background like this, or they'll be on an actual person. Make sure that you don't have the person's face in your actual screenshot of your product. You want to make sure that it is simply just the product alone. And once you've taken the screenshot of it, send it to yourself. You can either screenshot it and just keep it on your mobile phone if you're following along this journey from your mobile phone. If you're doing it on the computer, email it to yourself, Bluetooth it to yourself. I don't know how you do it, but I send it to myself on WhatsApp because I have WhatsApp on my laptop. So now I've got my image of me in a bathrobe. I've got the image of all of the actual products, which is the step 2 of it. So if you want to change out your products, you can. You don't have to use the products that I'm using. You can change it to any bags, any earrings, any shoes. It doesn't matter what it is from TikTok. You can change it because your prompt is going to reflect whatever it is that you are speaking about. We're going to combine our image and the actual products in one video inside of Higgsfield. But first, we need to make sure that we tweak our prompt. Jump back into the AI income stack and scroll down past all of the images and the actual prompt for you in the robe. And you're going to see the full prompt for the actual video that needs to be created. And as you can see at the top of the actual prompt, it highlights all of the different items. Now, if you're going to tweak this, take it over to ChatGPT, just copy it as it is, take it over to ChatGPT, upload your own photos of what it is that you're going to be talking about, jeans, trainers, different earrings, baseball cap, whatever it is. And you're going to ask ChatGPT to tweak the actual prompt and include your new items. That's the first thing that you want to do. You don't want to recreate the exact same videos over and over again, but you don't have to be a master at prompting. Copy the prompt, put it into ChatGPT and ask it to make all of the changes that are relevant to your new video. I wanted to give you a rough idea of the price points with actual Higgsfield. So I'm on the plan that is called the Plus plan. That is actually $39 a month. And anytime I run out of credits, I simply just update my actual credits or buy new credits as I actually am going along, as opposed to going to the next plan up, which is this one that is £99. And the reason why I say this is that if you were going to do this as an actual career, constantly posting TikTok shop style videos, you might not want to always use Higgsfield for your videos. You might want to create more simplified ones and every now and then post these ones, because actually generating these videos will take around 130 to 180 credits every single time you generate. And you're going to want to post maybe once a day to even 3 times a day to really build up a TikTok shop actual account. And this is 1,000 credits for this $39 a month. This one is going to give you 3,000 credits, but it's $99 a month. So once your TikTok account is booming, you're getting regular money coming in, then of course you can invest in this one. But for now, I would recommend that you only do the $39 one and upgrade it if and when needed. And we're going to be focusing on the seed dance section. So go into your actual Higgsfield account, click on video, and then click into the seed dance. We're going to be uploading our actual images, uploading our prompt. We're going to make sure that we've got it clicked on to either 15 seconds or however long our actual video is. Then we want to make sure our aspect ratio is 9:16. This is going to be suitable for social media TikTok shop. And then we want to use the 1080 resolution to make sure that it's a sharp enough high quality. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the upload section. And when you get to the upload section, you're going to see that it says upload media. You click on upload media, and wherever your actual images are actually stored, so the image of you in the gown and all of the actual clothing items, that's what you want to actually grab. So I'm going to go into my screen grabs and I'm going to scroll down, and we're going to just look for example, the earrings, and I'm going to add the earrings. It's going to take a second for it to actually generate and then authorize that it is a suitable image. So it actually will verify the image before it actually generates. And as you can see here, it says that up here, that it's going to verify the actual image. Once it's complete, it will actually go like this, and you'll be able to add it into your actual sequence. So now the image is actually ready for us to upload. So what I'm going to do is go to the previous ones, and I'm going to click on them one by one. These are my earrings, my perfume, my dress, my bag, and me. And you can see them now all over here on the left hand side. The next thing for me to do is add in my actual prompt. So if you're recreating exactly what I created, then your full prompt is going to be inside of the AI income stack. But if you've taken this into ChatGPT and you've asked it to make changes, like change the actual clothes, change the script, then you're going to grab your actual prompt from ChatGPT and you're going to upload it to your Higgsfield. Copy and paste it. Doesn't matter that it's long. We're then going to put that we want it to be 13 seconds. We're going to say that we want it to be 9:6 for TikTok shop. And we're going to say that we want it to be 180p, which is the actual resolution. And then we're going to click on to generate.
They said summer 2026 is a rich auntie summer. TikTok did not disappoint. Simple earring. Simple bag. Ladies, everything is TikTok shop, linked below.
Before I finish out this video, it's important to note that while you're doing your actual prompting for your seed dance videos, you do not have to be an expert at prompting. You just need to talk about the actual environment that you are trying to create. You can ask ChatGPT based on the prompts that I've got inside of the community, and you can ask it to tweak it. How many seconds do you want to be doing this? How many seconds do you want to be doing this? What movement? What camera angles? I know that this is often a challenge for us newbies, people who have never really done it before. But if you have a foundational prompt, you can just regurgitate different types of scenarios and actual outputs based on that actual foundational prompt. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, like day in the life vlogs, get ready with me, holiday style vlogs, all done with AI, then leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to make them for you. Don't forget to check out the actual description bar for a link to the Skool Launch Circle or the AI income stack. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.